Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get promotional Uber Eats codes for existing customers. So, if you want to enjoy your favorite meals at a better price, stay with me. First, what we need to do is open our favorite browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, or the one you prefer. In the search bar, we're going to write coupon follow. Once you see the results, click on the first link that appears. Now that we are inside the coupon follow page, we will look for a section that says coupons. Click there. This will take us to the section where we can find different promotional coupons. But as we are interested in Uber Eats, we need to specifically search those coupons. At the top of the screen, you will see a search magnifying glass. Click her and write Uber Eats. Select the correct result that appears. Great! Now we are in the Uber Eats promotional coupon section. You will see several codes here. To get one, simply click on the coupon that interests you. This will show you the promotional coupon code. Copy it. Now, go to the Uber Eats app. Now you can enjoy your food with a discount. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you liked, do not forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Let me in the comments if you have used any code and how it went. Until next time,